So now I have a rapid fire questions and I would like you to answer them in one word.
Okay.
So one word that describes your UPSC journey.
Enriching.
Enriching. Okay. And one habit that made the biggest difference in your selection.
Revision.
Prelims or mains, which is the toughest one?
Mains.
Mains.
Much more.
Handwritten notes or digital notes?
Mixed based on which subject is it.
But your preference?
So for GS I had handwritten. For optional I had digital ताकि मैं उसमें और validations कर सकूँ.
Your biggest inspiration?
One of the IAS officers I'd interacted with in first year of my college. Most machao IAS officers ever. IIT, IIM, investment banker, left like a crore salary to write civil services and literally changed Punjab.
Changed. Any specific? Any name?
I don't know if he'll want to be quoted. So
Okay.
he's now a secretary in Punjab. He's been in the service for like last 25 years.
One myth which you would like to burst about UPSC?
That you can't clear it in one attempt. It's not true.
Any favorite movie which motivated you in your UPSC journey?
UPSC journey के time पे तो मैंने कोई भी movies नहीं देखा, but one movie that did touch me was Badi Fail, to be honest. क्योंकि तब मैं prepare कर रही थी और मैं उसका journey देख रही थी तो
Would correlate.
मैं रोने ही लग गई थी last में आके वो movie देख.
So this is common between you and Harshita also. She also saw that movie and मतलब even before the result also she saw that final उसका जो जब selection होता है वो.
I तो started crying.
Your interview question which you could not answer?
They asked me अगर तुम 2030 तक BCG में रहोगी तो तुम्हारा सैलरी कितना होगा और अगर तुम सर्विसेज में आके फिर 10 साल बाद प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जाओगी तो तुम्हारा सैलरी कितना होगा. तो लाइक आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट बोथ दीज क्वेश्चन बिकॉज आई नेवर थॉट अबाउट इट. तो वो आंसर मैं नहीं कर पाई थी.